to class. It's teacher Joyful Joy in class. If you're welcome, if you're his first timer, please go ahead, subscribe to our channel, tap the notification bell to get notified as our videos drop. Like our videos, drop your comments and share with your friends and enjoy this video. Let's get into it. So in today's video, we're going to be creating the band of our cap. Okay, so these are the materials I'm using for the band. It's called a twist band. Now the measurement I have here is 2.5 by 20. That's 2.5 by 20, and I have it cut out in 7 pieces. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll fold it into 2 like this. Fold it into 2, take it to my machine and run it down. Then while doing it, I'm using these 2 material. This is bridal satin doll face, so I'm going to fold it this way. Okay, I'll fold it in 2, then I'll make a V. Now you can decide to iron this down. It's because there's no light, I would have ironed it down or hold it down with my pin. So what I'm going to do, you fix them together like this. Okay, this one comes down here and this also comes down here. Okay, so what to give me a V, so what I'm going to do, I'll sew it straight down from here, sew it and come here and continue. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to be attaching that. So, and I have, remember, I have 7 pieces of it. So now I have sewn 3. See how I did it? You pick the first one, you sew it like this and join. So you see the sewing. When you sew the first one, the second sewing will cover the first sewing like that. So I'm going to sew, I've sewn 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to be sewing the next one. This is how we fix it. Fix it to cover it. Okay, you fix it, so sew it straight. Then I'll pick this, add to it. So you see it's making the V. Must keep making the V shape. So let me sew so you can see what I'm doing. Let's cover this sewing mark. So it gets to this point, I pick the brown. So watch. You sew it into the brown, straight into the brown first. Okay? So now it has taken the brown in. So I'll raise the machine, remove the needle, then turn it so that the V will come and it will go straight this way. Balance it well. So now sew the other V part. Remember, it's a twisted. That's what it's called, twisted band V shape. Zigzag. Some call it twisted, some call it zigzag. Get to this end, cut it out. So this is what we're going to do. We've made 4 now. Take this and repeat the same pattern. So fix it. It must cover. Remember, it must cover this. So it has gotten close to this point. I pick a brown. Turn. Another way you can go about this is that if you don't, in case you don't have a sewing machine, you can just, all you need to do is get your materials, cut out your measurements Okay, when you cut out your measurement, you just call on those mobile tailors. Okay, so when you call on them, they'll just do the joining for you. You direct them and they do the sewing. Then you can now go back and do, the joining together that does not need machine work. Okay, that's another way to go about it. If perhaps you do not have a sewing machine yet, so not having a sewing machine is actually not a big problem. When my machine wasn't ready, that was what I was doing. And when you call them, they are already into this thing. They not say, somebody needs to give me. So you just find out that you are not the first, that they've been doing it for a whole lot of persons. So now my band is ready. So I'll just do a little bit of trimming. Remove this excess thread. So you can see that all the sewing, it will cover this one as well. So you see none of the sewing is reflecting. So everything is looking neat and cool. Okay, so I'll just do a little. Let me just do a little bit of trimming. All right, this is ready. Watch out for the other part 2 of this training, creating the body of the turban, adding the band to make the body of the scaffinator. Watch out. That's the zigzag. Okay, and you see the back is okay, it's not so bad. All right, so now remember the measurements I did. If you also want this space in your own to be more, you can increase your measurement. Like me, I used 2.5 by 20. Now of course this place will be long, I'll still cut, but I'd rather have excess than have what will not be enough. So that's why I'm making my work to be the measurement. I'm taking very extreme measurement so that I will not have any stories that touch when I want to work on my base, scaffinator base. Okay, so this is the scaffinator band.